How to create a text cutout in Canva. Open a Canva project page and let's change our background color. You can absolutely choose the color of your choice. In this case, I'm choosing a gradient blue. Go to text and add a heading. Then type in your text. Go to Canva sound and choose Anton. And now increase the size of your text. Scroll down to see apps. Then search for shape cutout. Choose this one and click on export design. Choose the page of your choice if you're on so many pages and increase the size, then export. Simply click on each of the text just like so, and once you're done, click on cutout and add to design, and that's your cutout. Now delete the original text and change the background to white, then bring in your cutout text, click on edit and scroll down to see shadows. Choose glow and adjust the settings just like so. Go to element or your uploads and bring in your video and increase the size. Increase the size of your video to cover your cutout, then go to layers and move your video backwards. And here is the final result. If you enjoyed this tutorial, kindly subscribe, like and share for more. See you next time on Innovate.